Next up is another review of Chapter 7 about lines, and again, I will definitely ask you some of these questions on the test. I won't ask a bunch of them, but there'll be some. So here's one. Find the equation of a line that has this slope and goes through the point 6, 2. So first of all, you could do this by graphing. I'm not going to, but I'll explain how to do it that way. If you had a nice, neat graph, and you could plot 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 2 right here. If you knew the slope was 2/3, you could simply follow the slope up to, let me switch colors here, up to 1, 2, over 3, 1, 2, 3, and keep that pattern going, both forward and backwards. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 would be here, and keep going 2, 3, and hopefully you'll land exactly on a nice y-intercept and be done. So in this case, it looks like the equation would be y equals a slope of 2/3 x, and the y-intercept, whatever this is, looks like it's -3, and you can just pick it off the graph by looking at it. So this actually might even be the answer to this problem, which I just did in like 20 seconds. But I'm going to go ahead and go back and do this by algebra, because algebra will find the answer even if this value is something messy that's not easy to see off the graph. All right, restarting. So we have y equals mx plus b, our slope-intercept form for any line. Go ahead and plug in the information that you see in the problem into the equation. Press pause and do that on your own. And here's what you get. I put in 6 for the x-coordinate, this guy right here. 2 is the y-coordinate, so I put 2 for y right there. And we're also given the slope was 2/3, and so I put the m value of 2/3. From here, continue the problem and solve this for b on your own. Press pause and do that. So here's what you get. 3 can go into 6 2 times, and then 2 times 2 is 4 left over. So you get 4. And you could have done that in a different order. If you want to do 6/1, then do 2 times 6 is 12, and 12 divided by 3 times 1, you can get 4 that way too. But I personally prefer to reduce first. So there's that. Subtract 4 to both sides, and you get 2 minus 4 is -2 equals b. So we've got our final slope-intercept form of y equals a slope of 2/3 x. That was given to us in the problem as the slope. Then the y-intercept we found was -2, so -2. That's pretty close to what I found just by quickly sketching it. So there's our final y equals mx plus b form. If you want more practice, go to YouTube, type in slope-intercept form of a line. You should be able to find a bunch of problems that are very, very similar to this. See you next video.